So let me explain the question again. The refractive index of glass and water are 1.5 and 4/3 respectively. So you are asked to find out refractive index of glass with respect to water. Second question, refractive index of water with respect to glass. So solution, how you will solve this? Very simple. You see, what are the givens? Given informations are given. Let me write mu. Okay. In place of n, let me write mu. Mu is the symbol which represent refractive index. Mu z. Okay. Mu z is 1.5. And mu w, that is water. Z represent for glass, W for water. So this is absolute refractive index of glass. That is why I am not writing ZA. Okay. And WA nilikhi ami akol mu W likhisu. It is given as 4/3. So let me write 1.5 as 3/2. Okay. Now you have to use. Now you have to use the formula since remember this formula mu z w. What does it mean? Refractive index of glass with respect to water. Okay, it can be written like this. Kasor প্ৰতিহৰণাংক পানী সাপেক্ষে এনেকেও লিখিব পাৰি. Okay, so this is by definition mu z by mu w. So this is important relation. Okay, the refractive index of glass with respect to water can be represented as mu z by mu w. Okay, so simply you can use this formula to find the refractive index of glass. তুমি এই formula to কাঁচৰ প্ৰতিহৰণাংক উলিয়াবলৈ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব পাৰা. So কেনেকৈ? So utilizing this formula, so mu z w, it means that refractive index of glass with respect to water is equal mu z. Mu is equal what? 3/2. Mu w what? 4/3. So 3/2 into 3/4. Okay. To ulti jabo 4/3 will be 3/4. So the answer is 9/8. Okay. What is the answer? Is 9/8. So simply you are utilizing this formula, and alternately you can find out refractive in second question, refractive index of water with respect to glass. Okay. For the second question, যদি আমি refractive index of water উলিয়াব লাগে তেতিয়ালে এটো উল্টি যাব. So for the second one, number B, mu w, refractive index of water with respect to glass, mu w to upor hobo, mu z. Always remember this is the formula. So mu w is 4/3 and mu z is equal 3/2. So 4/3, 2/3, 8/9, right? So this is the refractive index of water with respect to glass. Okay, 8/9. So in this way we can solve the formula, solve the problems by utilizing this simple formula. So now question is how this formula comes. A formula to cobra ahise. Okay, so from where this formula comes? So let us again explain what is absolute refractive index. It is mu. If a formula to cobra ahise, আমি তাকে চাও যে এই ফর্মুলাটো আমি কেনেকৈ পালো ঘপককৈ তো ফর্মুলাটো পাব নোৱাৰি. So how we can find this formula? Let me explain. So starting from absolute refractive index, So as you know, what is absolute refractive index? So when ray of light, পৰম প্ৰতিসৰণাংক, যেতিয়া পোহৰৰ ৰশ্মি এয়াৰৰ পৰা এটা মাধ্যম এয়াৰ হ'ব লাগিব. So one medium should be air. The first medium should be air. Second medium to refractive index of তেতিয়া absolute refractive index বুলি কোৱা হ'ব. সদায়তো এয়াৰ নহয়, কেতিয়াবা এয়াৰ নহ'ব পাৰে, ৱাটাৰ হ'ব পাৰে. যদিহে ফাৰ্ষ্ট মিডিয়ামটো এয়াৰ হয়, ছেকেণ্ড মিডিয়ামটো যিকোনো মিডিয়াম হয়, গ্লাছ হ'ব পাৰে, ৱাটাৰ হ'ব পাৰে, বা বেলেগ লিকুইড হ'ব পাৰে, ট্ৰান্সপাৰেণ্ট বেলেগ মিডিয়াম হ'ব পাৰে. So if this is glass, suppose, for example, okay, so then this refractive index of glass with respect to air is called absolute refractive index. So it is it may be written as mu Ga. What does it mean? It means that refractive index of glass with respect to air. Okay, so normally if the first medium is air, it is not written. যদি প্ৰথম মাধ্যমটো বায়ু হয় তেতিয়াহলে এটো লিখা নহয় আৰু ইয়াক কোৱা হয় only mu G. So this is the absolute refractive index of glass, right? This is the absolute refractive index of glass. So another definition, so if you want to express this refractive index in terms of another velocity definition, VA and VG. So this is another definition. What is VA? What is VA? VA মানে কি? Velocity of light in air. In air বা vacuum. বায়ুত পোহৰৰ বেগ. So this is in general written as C. VA to সাধাৰণতে C বুলি কোৱা হয়. C. Lighter velocity air of যিটো হ'ব এটো সাধাৰণতে C ৰে বুজোৱা হয়. So VG is the velocity of light in glass. VG মানে নো কি? VG মানে হল কাচ মাধ্যমত বা কাচত গ্লাছত পোহৰৰ বেগ. So এই দুটাৰ অনুপাতটোৱে refractive index বুজাইছে. কাৰ VG. So এটো যদি C হয়, VA ঠাইত যদি আমি C লিখো, so mu Ga, that is only mu G, absolute refractive index of glass is equal to C by VG, right? C by VG. Okay, so absolute refractive index of glass can be written as like this, C by VG. Similarly, absolute refractive index of water can be written as C by VW. Okay, so eto jeneke paisu, eto teneke pam. Eto hol panir poti porom প্ৰতিসৰণাংক. Panir porom প্ৰতিসৰণাংক hol eto. So if this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, then if you divide 1 by 2, এক নম্বৰটো যদি তুমি 2 নম্বৰটোৰে ডিভাইড কৰা, কি পাবা? mu G by mu W. Okay, mu G by mu W is equal what? VG mu G by mu W is equal mu G, in place of mu G what? C by VG. Okay, mu G C by VG, and mu W is equal what? C by VW. So VW will be there by C. So C will be cancelled. Okay, so in this way if you want to combine this mu ZA, a formula to the me combine kobole joa, titiahole tumi paba same formula. So mu ZA, what does it mean? It is a absolute refractive index of glass, and mu Z is equal to what? Absolute refractive index of glass. So if you want to find out mu Z by mu W, okay? So we want what? Amak ki lage? Amak lage. We want mu Z water. Okay, mu Z water. So from this relation we have from velocity relation to velocity per atom refractive index relation. From that relation, that velocity of light in the first medium. What is the first medium? First medium is water, and divided by velocity of light in glass. What is this? This is the velocity of light in glass. Okay. So ইয়াতে যদি তুমি c ৰে divide কৰি দিয়া both, so that means from this relation আমি ইয়াত কি পাইছিলো mu z by mu w is equal কিমান পাইছিলো va by vg. Okay, so it means that mu w by vw hobo, vw hobo, vw by vg. Okay, vw by vg. Okay, vw by vg is equal mu z by mu w. So you put here mu z by mu w. Okay, so left hand side to একে থাকিব, তার মানে হল mu z w ইয়ার অর্থটো হল গ্লাসৰ প্ৰতিহৰণাংক পানীৰ সাপেক্ষে refractive index of glass with respect to water, okay, is equal to the ratio of absolute refractive index of glass to the absolute refractive index of water. This is very important relation. That is, you can remember this 2:1. What does it mean? It means that refractive index of the medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is absolute refractive index of medium 2 divided by absolute refractive index of medium 1. Water বা glass যদি একো নহয়, যদি medium কিটাক আমি 1 আৰু 2 বুলি কওঁ, তেতিয়াহলে আমি এনেকৈ represent কৰিব পাৰো. Okay, so utilizing this we can solve that formula. So it will use kori ami he formula to koribo paru, right? Last time I have given you another some important relations, refractive index mu 2:1 is equal to 1 by mu 1:2. A relation to more hidina koisilu. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is also equal to the reciprocal of refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2. Medium 1 or 2 GN hog, glass hog, water hog, air hog, GN hog. So a relation to ami paiswa. So this is also another important relation in case of refractive index. So tetia hole ami refractive index or kiman kini formula palu. Refractive index or karone ami keta formula palu. Ei formula palu. Eta formula hol mu, suppose our medium is this is medium 2, this is medium 1, this is normal, ray of light is coming and it is reflected, this is angle of incidence, this is angle of refraction. Okay, so one of the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is sine I by sine R. So this is one of the important coming from Snell's law. Snell's law ba prothom jitu sutro etu. So second to whole mu 2 1 in terms of absolute refractive index. This is another relation. Another relation V1 V2. What is the V1? V1 is the velocity of light in medium 1. Velocity of light in medium 1, velocity of light in medium 2. Refractive index mane ki velocity to change hobo. Yar jitu velocity hobo, etu medium of velocity belag hobo. So duita velocity ratio to a refractive index bujai. Okay, this is another definition. So utilizing all these formulas, we can find out refractive index of a medium. Okay. Kuntu madhyama uliabo kase etu important. Etu uliabo kase ne hetu uliabo kase. Right?